Shadow smoothies, wild and cold. Banana blast, brave and bold. Punk rock flavor, metal soul. One frozen sip, you lose control.
Okay, today we're going to make Shadow's amazing banana peanut butter smoothies. And I'm going to have Lily of the Stars here actually make it. So first we're going to peel a banana. I like a really ripe banana. You don't want it tasting green unless you like that. But there we go. It's peeling up. It has the cat because the cat thinks it's getting food. But we don't feed the cat bananas. And we're going to put it in this little container for her on a Ninja. Here. Yep. Next we're going to take some of these great value. These are from Walmart, frozen banana slices. If you don't want to buy these, you can actually freeze your own bananas. Just make sure you peel them first, because it's really hard to peel off the banana peel and freeze it on it. Put a good amount of these in. Okay. Next. Put this one on top here. Too much.
Too much?
Yes.
Too much.
Put one here. And then now you're gonna add a gop of peanut butter. I don't know what a gop is, but it's gonna be on this big spoon here. You can do it without the peanut butter. It just makes it more creamy and smooth. And I like to use the all natural Jif from whatever brand you like.
Oh, this is a big gop.
Yeah, we don't want that much of a gop. You know.
Big spoonful.
Big spoon. Put that in there. Yeah. It's always good. You can lick the spoon when you're done. It's great. Yeah. There it goes. All right. Now we're going to add the, we use the 40-calorie unsweetened silk coconut milk. Some of the other brands are not as creamy and they really don't taste good. The Blue Diamond isn't bad either. And there's actually a Blue Diamond banana one. And that's actually pretty decent. But this is our go-to. And we're going to fill it up quite a bit here. Yep.
Now there.
Yep, we'll keep adding.
Oh.
Yeah, fill it up.
Oh.
Go on. Even though it says max liquid, yeah, right about there is good.
Okay.
Now we're going to put the little blender piece into this Ninja cup. Make sure it goes on even and tighten it up because you don't want this going everywhere.
No.
So now it goes onto the little Ninja smoothie maker. Lock it in, and whatever blender you like. Now we're going to turn it on, and we use the smoothie setting. Yep, smoothie setting. Smooth, so we're going to stop it on our own, but it will continue to go and then it will stop by itself. But, we don't like to use ice because it kind of waters it down. We like the creaminess.
Mm-hmm.
Here we are opening it.
Ooh.
There's that suction.
Oh.
And now we're going to pour this out. Hard Rock Cafe glass. Nice, big, thick, heavy duty. And handles a good smoothie. It's much healthier than using ice cream. And it tastes great. This isn't like those smoothies you get at places and they use ice because that's just not pleasant. We all know it's not pleasant. So now that's it. And we're gonna have lovely the stars here. Give it a good taste. No, yeah.
Mmm. Ah, yeah. Delicious.
Well, thank you for watching, and keep in tune. We're going to keep making more cooking videos. Hope you like this. And if you haven't subscribed to us already, please think about it. Thank you.